Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. This is a great song to play, it's super duper simple to learn. So first we're going to look at the left hand. The left hand has 4 chords only with 2 notes in each, and that just repeats throughout the song. So the left hand goes a little bit like this. We start on C sharp and G sharp. We play that 3 times in this rhythm. Exactly like that. I'm playing with 2 hands here, I'm just so you can see the notes, but you have to use 1 hand for it. So we start with C sharp and G sharp. So we do. Then we go to F sharp and C sharp. Make sure you go down for this, not up. So we want to go from C sharp and G sharp down to F sharp and C sharp. The same rhythm. Then we jump up to A and E. Same rhythm. And then B and F sharp. So when you put that together, it sounds a little bit like this. This is it very, very slowly. And again. That's the left hand. Now if we speed it up a little bit, it sounds like this. I'm using my thumb and my pinky finger for this, which is what I'd recommend, so you can easily jump about on the keyboard. I actually have to jump quite a bit for these chords, but once you get those 4 chords, it's pretty easy to play. Now the right hand for the easy version is, all you're doing, if you can see, you are playing C sharp, E, back to C sharp, and you do that on repeat twice, so you go. And again. Then we go to E flat, back to C sharp, down to B. So it goes a little bit like this. And this will be an octave higher, so you can see it. You'll start up here. Has the same rhythm as the left hand, so when you play that they go together. So I'm going to play it now hands together so you can see how it fits. Okay, so this is it slowed down. To take note of the rhythm in both hands, because we have a syncopated rhythm where it's not quite on the beat. The first chord in the left hand is on the beat. Let's start on the right one. But then the second chord comes in between beat 2 and beat 3, which makes it syncopated. And then the third chord comes on beat 4, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So that's how to put them hands together, left hand and right hand. Now I'm going to play it a little bit faster at the speed it should be so you can play along. Okay, are we ready? I'm going to go a little bit faster this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. That's how to play Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.
Want to teach your kids piano and music at home? Well, you can. Buy our funky splash cards for nursery kids and for school kids. You can also join one of our courses if you check out our website. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn.